was this doing in here? Squeeze! Hi-yep! Look at this bubble wrap. People need to know how serious the situation is. This is Dani's Research Center. Friends, we have an emergency. What do we do? This can't be. How terrible. Plastic waste we throw out is polluting the ocean. Marine animals are suffering because they eat our plastic waste, mistaking it for food. They say that by around 2050, there will be more plastic than fish in the ocean. That would spell disaster for marine life. Friends, there's a problem. Marine animals are in trouble. There must be a way to fix this. Let's see.
Dani!
Oh, my goodness. It's a shark. Shark, how may I help you?
I can't breathe properly because of this plastic around my snout. Please help me.
Oh, no, poor dear. Oh, what's this? It looks very painful. Hang on. I'll help you, shark. Friends, something is wrapped around the shark's snout. Let's see. I don't think this will be easy. I think I should remove the plastic wrapped around his snout. Hold still and hang on. It worked! It must have been very tight. There are a lot of cuts here. The cuts have to be treated. We need antibiotic ointment. This ointment injection will help the cuts heal in no time. It doesn't hurt at all. So, hold still. Squeeze. How do you feel? Do you feel better?
Wow, I can finally breathe properly, but my tummy hurts too.
What? Your tummy hurts? That's not good. Lie down. I can't tell what it is. Emergency surgery ready. Trust me. Shark, hang on. I'll help you. What on earth did you eat? Come on. Ew! What was this doing in here? Ew, shark! Did you eat this can? Oh, wait! I see something else. Come on. This is a tuna can. Shark, this isn't tuna that you should be eating. You poor thing. Disinfecting incision. You okay, shark?
Thank you. I think I'm all better. There was a family playing on the beach yesterday. I must have gotten sick from swallowing their trash.
Thank goodness. You could have gotten seriously ill. But why did you eat a tuna can?
The ocean is filled with plastic waste, so there's nothing to eat.
Oh, shucks. Some people must have accidentally thrown out a tuna can into the sea. I apologize on their behalf. So sorry.
Don't be. I've gotten my health back thanks to you. I'm so grateful.
I'm glad. Hurry back to the ocean. Bye. Aww. It's awful what happened to the shark. How upsetting. What about the other animals?
Dani.
Oh, turtle! Why is this chip back here? Ew! And what's this doing here? You poor dear.
Dani, because I can't see, I can't crawl or swim.
Oh, that's because you have a chip back stuck around your head. I think we should remove this first. I can't really see. It's covered with lichen. All set.
Well, I can see now, I can see. But my tummy hurts.
What? Your tummy hurts? You need to take medicine. You're sick from drinking too much polluted water. You're showing symptoms of dehydration and an upset stomach. Swallow them all. Dani's medicine isn't bitter at all. So, are you starting to feel better?
Yes, I'm fine now.
Thank goodness. But what is the meaning of all of this? What in the world is happening to the ocean? Oh, come here. Seal, what happened to you? Oh, the wounds look very serious.
I thought the drink bottles and plastic cans some picnickers threw out were balls and played with them, hurting my head. The bleeding just won't stop.
Oh, you seem to have suffered a deep cut from broken glass. Oh, I must disinfect the wound first. Hang on. Here it is, antiseptic. Oh, sorry, it'll sting a little. Hang in there. I dressed the cut, so it should heal soon. But you must take it easy until then, okay?
I hurt my leg too.
Let me see. Oh, there's another very serious cut here.
Dani, I don't like shots. I hate getting shots.
It's okay. This special shot that I developed doesn't hurt at all. If you get this shot, your cut will heal and you will gain strength. But the shot is rather big. Hang in there, just 3 seconds. Pull, squeeze. Hi-ya.
Ow!
Oh, you're all better.
Wow, how amazing! I can't wait to swim in the ocean.
I told you my shot would make you good as new.
Thanks, Dani.
Don't mention it. Take care. Although I treated all the injured sea animals, I have a feeling something terrible is happening in the ocean. Friends, I must go into the ocean and see for myself. Dani Emergency Squad to the rescue! What's all this? The ocean is full of trash, as the sea animal said. Yuck! It stinks. Gross. Oh? This canned soda is a drink many of us enjoy. What's this can doing here? Friends, I should clean the entire seabed, right? Okay, good. The can is in. Oh, it's disposable cup. It's so embarrassing. Ugh. Ugh, it stinks. Why do people throw trash into the ocean? It takes over 100 years for styrofoam to decompose. No, I bet 1,000 years. Look at this bubble wrap. Friends, what if our room were littered with trash like this? Could we deal with it? We'd probably get headaches and belly aches and be really sick. Oh, poor sea animals. I'm so sorry. All of these are perfectly recyclable. This is upsetting. Plastic. And cans. The ocean is finally clean. I'll go back up above the water with this trash. People need to know how serious the situation is. Let's go back to sort and recycle these trash.
We're very happy that the trash-filled ocean is clean again thanks to Dani.
For our sake, please don't throw plastic waste into the ocean.
We want to meet you in clean waters.
Help us, friends!